This year we are 73 years old as a company. So
Amazing.
we've been around a little while, and we are enjoying growth under a new name recently. Prior to Premier Tech Partners, it was Premier Computing. And prior to Premier Computing, it was All Makes Typewriters. So that was the name of the company in 1952. So we've had to reinvent ourselves a few times. But over the last 40 years, we have been heavily focused in ERP solutions. And so the company is growing and doing well, and our customers are adopting technology that is helping them to scale and grow. And we're seeing a lot of growth throughout all of our customers worldwide. Been an entrepreneur my whole life. So at age 21, I bought a restaurant. And at age 23, I quickly sold that restaurant when the main contributor to our economic, the whole economic system kind of fell apart where I lived. And I did New York Life for a while. And then I started a career with the Air Force. I was an air traffic controller in the Air Force and did that for 6 years, kind of to
thank you for your service.
Eat, right, pay for my schooling, etc.